Welcome to my tutorial. So this is going to be just a follow-up from a previous video. So where we converted decimal to binary, we're going to now do binary to decimal. So let's get started. So we're going to follow the first rule, and then above each binary number we're going to put the power of 2 in ascending order from right to left. So we're going to start from this 0. We're going to put 2 to the power of 0, then 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3. So this is what I mean by ascending order. So it goes from right to left, and the power is to ascend. Yeah, so now we're going to do the second rule and multiply each 2 to the power of x by the binary number. So 2 to the power of 0 evaluates to 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Now we're going to follow the third rule and add up all the results. So 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 10. And therefore, we can say that 1010 is actually 10 in base 10. And if you wanted to, you could try with this example 1 1 1 base 2, and let me know what that is in base 10. So just comment below, and then I can even check your answer for you or use the link that I sent before.